You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -4. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Simplify the fraction. Expand the parentheses. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 6 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 2/5. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals -4.